HSLTalks, Conversational Mobility Assistant. Hello, I'm Hiroshi Doyu from Ninja Labo. Today, I'm excited to introduce HSLTalks, a conversational mobility assistant for a SPU. Our solution turns existing digital signage into interactive guides. Users simply scan a QR code and start chatting naturally, instantly receiving transit routes and multimodal travel options, enhancing daily transit experiences effortlessly. Last month, I introduced DataTalks, our core conversational AI platform. At its heart, DataTalks integrates various data sources dynamically through something called Open API Specifications, OAS. Think of OAS as standardized instructions that tell our system exactly how to interact with different data sources. Here's how DataTalks works step by step. 1. A user asks a question naturally, like an everyday conversation. 2. Our system, powered by ChatGPT's function calling infrastructure, interprets this question. 3. DataTalks identifies and calls upon the appropriate APIs, the data connections, according to their Open API specifications. 4. It then retrieves and combines relevant information from multiple data sources automatically. Finally, DataTalks delivers a clear, concise answer or report back to the user. DataTalks is the foundational technology behind our various specialized solutions in the Talks series. A SPO Talks acts as your personal data scientist, helping city planners examine multiple city data sets, perform analyses, and generate insightful reports, all through conversational interactions. CamTalks and EventTalks use DataTalks to integrate real-time traffic, parking, and event data, guiding participants smoothly to available parking spaces, minimizing unnecessary driving and congestion. HSL Talks and SC Talks, Shopping Center Talks, transform existing digital signage displays into interactive conversational panels. For instance, HSL Talks leverages DataTalks to integrate live transit data, providing citizens flexible and real-time journey planning right at transit stops. Now let's explore HSL Talks in more detail. Objectives. HSL Talks addresses 3 clear objectives. First, unlocking HSL's real-time data through conversational AI. Second, integrating a SPU's open datasets, traffic, weather, and parking to create smart, personalized travel recommendations. Third, turning static digital signs into interactive displays, actively supporting a SPU's carbon neutrality goals by promoting eco-friendly transportation options, target users, and enhanced experience. HSL Talks benefits everyone: residents who seek detailed transit advice, visitors needing multilingual guidance, and seniors preferring accessible interaction. With QR-based multilingual chats, clear visual instructions, and user-friendly design, we provide an inclusive, intuitive experience, empowering all citizens with smarter transit choices. Technical setup. Our solution is technically efficient and simple. We use an HTML and JavaScript-based conversational UI integrated with ChatGPT. It connects directly to dynamic APIs from HSL and a SPO. No additional hardware needed. We leverage existing digital signage and user smartphones through easy iframe embedding, ensuring quick deployment at minimal cost. Pilot location. The Tapiola Metro and Bus Terminal was strategically selected for our pilot. It's a busy hub, ideal for testing user interaction and gathering feedback quickly. Existing digital signage here provides immediate deployment and maximum visibility, effectively demonstrating real-world utility and benefits of our solution. Timeline. We've planned a clear and practical timeline. August-September for UI design and API integration, October-January for active pilot deployment in Tapiola, gathering user feedback, February for detailed KPI analysis, comprehensive reporting, and documentation for broader scaling and future improvements. Cost breakdown. Our budget is transparent and practical. The allocated €10,000 covers development, deployment, and ongoing cloud API services. €4,000 for chatbot UI and APIs, €4,000 for deployment and testing, and €2,000 for cloud infrastructure. HSL and a SPU will support in-kind with necessary data and infrastructure. Expected outcomes, KPIs. Clear metrics will track our pilot's success. Engagement with at least 200 active users, user satisfaction above 80% positive feedback, multilingual usage monitored, environmental impact by increasing public transport use, scalability and sustainability. Our pilot is designed for quick and sustainable expansion. After Tapiola, we can extend rapidly across a SPU, regionally through the HSL area, and nationally via Digitransit APIs. Long-term, HSL Talks will integrate into existing apps like HSL's Journey Planner and National MAS platforms. Risks and mitigation. We actively address key risks. Integration complexity managed by simple iframe embedding, user engagement encouraged by prominently showcasing practical conversation examples directly on signage, demonstrating ease of use and immediate value. Support needed. To ensure successful implementation, we ask a SPU for practical support. CMS access confirmation to existing digital signage. Optional promotional support via a SPU and HSL's social media channels, boosting visibility and engagement. Live demo, intro to proof of concept. Now I'll introduce our demonstration. You'll see firsthand how HSL Talks seamlessly integrates conversation, real-time data, and multilingual interactions. Our demo clearly illustrates intuitive user engagement, immediate responses using HSL and a SPU's open data APIs, and practical usage scenarios. Proceed to the 5-minute demo video.